Now students, we have to find the price left for the Sadaf without 1500. First we have to find the price of 2.25 kg of beef. After multiplying these two terms, we can find the price of 2.25 kg. So the price of 2.25 kg of beef, 2.25 multiplied by 160, it becomes 360 rupees, and price of 0.75 kg of mutton becomes rupees 262.5. The price of 2.35 kg of chicken is 2.35 multiplied by 170. It becomes rupees 399.5 rupees. So our total price is 360 plus 262.5 plus 399.5. Our total price becomes 1022. So amount left for Sadaf 1500 minus 1022. Our answer becomes 478 rupees. This is the amount left for Sadaf. So our diary completed. Today's your diary is exercise number 5.2, question number 8, 9 and 10 practice. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum 6th class. Today we are doing exercise number 5.2, question number 8. The statement of the question is बाबर इज़ अ पेइंग गेस्ट इन अ हाउस. एक हाउस के अंदर बाबर जो है वो पेइंग गेस्ट है. पेइंग गेस्ट मीन्स कि वो पे करता है इस हाउस में रहने के, जितनी देर वो इधर स्टे करेगा वो उसके लिए पे करता है. वेयर ही शेयर आर यूटिलिटी बिल्स विद द लैंडलॉर्ड. वो मालिक मकान के साथ सारे यूटिलिटी बिल्स शेयर करता है, इक्वल अमाउंट करता है. व्हाट अमाउंट विल बाबर्स पे इफ़ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल इज़ दिस, सो गैस बिल इज़ दिस एंड वाटर बिल. So first we have to find the Baba's share in all the bills, and then we have to find the total amount. So the first bill is electricity bill. Electricity bill is rupees 1240.50. So Baba's share will be half of this. So we can find the half by dividing this amount with 2. So Baba's shares becomes 620.25. Then we have Suigas bill. Suigas bill is rupees 435.60, and then Baba's share again divided by 2. Baba's shares becomes 217.8. So water bill is equal to rupees 278.90. So Baba's share 278.90 divided by 2. Baba's share becomes 139.45. Total amount pay by Babar is equal to, then we have to add all these amounts. Babar's share 620.25 plus 217.8 plus 139.45. So Babar will pay 9 775 rupees. So our question is completed. Our question number 9 is the price of a chemical of 16 kg weight is 1429.60 rupees. What is the price of 11.4 kg chemical? Ji students, first we have the price of 16 kg chemical, that is rupees 1429.60. So then we have to find the price of 11.4 kg chemical. If before finding the 11.4 kg chemical, we have to find, first of all we have to find the price of 1 kg chemical. Price of 1 kg chemical becomes 1429.60 divided by 16, and then we have to find the price of 11.4 kg chemical. 1429.60 divided by 16 and multiply by 11.4. After calculation, our answer becomes rupees 1018.59. So our question number 9 completed. Next we have to do the question number 10. Statement of question number 10 is Sadaf bought 2.25 kg of beef at the rate of rupees 160 per kg. Per mean 1. स्टूडेंट्स 1 kg की प्राइस हमारे पास 160 रुपीज़ है और सदफ ने कितना खरीदा है 2.25 kg. So by multiplying these two terms we can find the price of 2.25 kg beef and then 0.75 kg mutton at the rate of rupees 350 per kg. This is the price of per kg. By multiplying these two terms we can find the price of 0.75 kg mutton and then 2.35 chicken at the rate of rupees 160 per kg. Similarly, we have to find the 2.35 kg, the price of 2.35 kg of chicken. For this purpose we have to multiply these two terms. What amount she left without rupees 1500. 1500 में इसके पास कितनी अमाउंट वापस आई.